Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Vibe channel. Are the colors on your Vizio TV looking dull, pale, or washed out? Don't worry, this isn't a panel issue. It's usually a simple settings problem that can be fixed in minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your Vizio TV picture looking vibrant, sharp, and full of life again. Step 1. Check your picture mode. The first thing you need to check is your picture mode. Vizio TVs come with several modes like Standard, Vivid, Calibrated, and Game mode. If your TV is set to Energy Saving or Eco mode, colors can look flat or faded. Go to Menu, Picture, Picture mode, and switch to Calibrated or Vivid mode for brighter, more accurate colors. For most people, Calibrated offers the most natural color tone, perfect for movies and everyday watching. Step 2. Adjust backlight and brightness. Start by adjusting backlight and brightness. Go to Menu, Picture, Backlight, and set it around 80 to 90 for a brighter image. Then keep brightness near 50 to 55 to maintain shadow detail. Next, fine-tune contrast to about 85 and color between 55 to 60 for balanced tones and deeper blacks. Turn off Eco settings under Menu is System, Eco settings to prevent unwanted dimming from energy-saving modes. Lastly, set your color temperature to warm or normal instead of cool. This reduces bluish tones and delivers more natural, realistic colors, perfect for movies and skin tones. Step 3. Fine-tune contrast and color. Now it's time to perfect your picture quality by balancing contrast and color. A low contrast setting can make your visuals appear flat and lifeless, while too much contrast may crush details in bright scenes. Set contrast around 85 for sharp highlights and deep blacks. Then, adjust color between 55 to 60 to achieve vibrant, yet natural tones. Avoid oversaturation. You want colors to pop without looking artificial. After adjusting, switch between before and after views to see the difference instantly. You'll notice richer skin tones, improved depth, and a more cinematic image overall. Step 4. Turn off ECO settings and tone correction. Many Vizio TVs automatically dim the screen to save energy, but this can make your picture look dull and inconsistent. Go to Menu, System, Eco settings, and disable options like Ambient Light Sensor, Energy Saving Mode, or Auto Brightness Control. These features constantly adjust your screen brightness based on room lighting, which can reduce picture quality. Turning them off ensures your display stays stable, bright, and vivid at all times. This simple tweak prevents unwanted dimming and keeps your colors and contrast consistent across all lighting conditions. Step 5. Use warm color temperature. Finally, adjust your color temperature. If it's set to cool, your whites may look bluish and unnatural. Switch it to warm or normal. This gives your picture a more balanced and realistic tone, especially for movies and natural skin tones. Step 6. Check HDMI source and picture enhancements. Sometimes, the problem isn't your TV settings, it's the source device. If you're using a streaming box, Blu-ray player, or gaming console, check its display output settings. Make sure it's set to full RGB range or YUV 4:4:4, and confirm that the HDMI cable supports 4K HDR or Full HD signals. Also, turn off any extra picture enhancement features in your external device, as these can cause color distortion or washed out tones. By ensuring both your TV and source are properly configured, you'll get the most accurate and vivid color reproduction possible. And that's it. Your Vizio TV should now look bright, colorful, and true to life again. If this helped fix your display, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and share. It really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next fix.